Every once in a while, a new piece of technology comes onto the scene that shatters expectations and redefines the way we live our lives. Today, we're going to look at perhaps one of the most shining examples of just such a piece of technology. Welcome, my friends. I'm Caleb Dennison, a self-described videologist and television critic. Today, I present to you the Toshiba MV13N3 color television and VCR combination. That's right, it is a TV and video cassette recorder and player in a compact, easily transportable unit, allowing for endless hours of entertainment in your garage, bedroom, or as the entertainment centerpiece of your den. As you can see, it features a 13-inch high-resolution color CRT display, composite video and audio inputs for connecting next-generation video game devices, as well as an RG6 coaxial cable connection for connecting a cable or satellite decoder box, or the included pair of high-definition antenna. This unit even includes a headphone jack for private listening, so you needn't worry about waking your loved one while watching the cinematic masterpiece that is The Hobbit late at night in the dark. Of course, this TV is also outfitted with a high-resolution 1.5-inch paper cone driver for excellent audio fidelity and unmatched dialogue clarity. This area here, it's just for show. But may I suggest an audio solution befitting the TV's video fidelity that may include a 2-channel stereo solution as we are exhibiting here. It is probably already becoming clear that this entertainment powerhouse is extremely versatile. Not only can you watch The Price is Right and Falcon's Crest free over-the-air broadcast TV, most of the time, I guess we're experiencing a broadcast outage at the moment, that's odd. No matter, we can also watch Cinemax or Nickelodeon via cable television, and if there's nothing on that you want to watch, head down to your local Albertsons or video cassette rental shop and bring home your favorite movies without the hassle of renting a massive independent VCR and lugging that big black case all over town. But the real magic of this unit is its ability to perform something called time shifting. Why should you have to watch The A-Team or Airwolf at exactly 8 p.m. on Thursday night? What if you would like to watch those programs on the weekend? Well, with the Toshiba MV13N3, this is now possible. Simply hit the record button when the program airs or use the handy built-in timer to automate recording, then watch at your leisure. This remarkable unit can also allow you to zip by commercials at over double speed thanks to the revolutionary fast forward features. Congratulations, you just got 20 minutes of your life back. How's that feel? Pretty good, huh? Of course, all this functionality would be worthless if the Toshiba MV13N3 didn't include a most crucial component, a premium display. I rigorously tested this unit and can confirm it offers inky black levels and delivers up to 104 nits of peak brightness for incredible contrast. This set also covers 92% of Rec 709, and if you don't know what that means, don't worry. You can trust me as an expert in these matters that this is a very good rating. Combined, these picture elements provide an image that almost seems to leap off the screen. Is it 3D? It might as well be. But wait, there's more. The Toshiba MV13N3 is uniquely positioned as the premier device for the enjoyment of video games. Due to its exceptionally low input lag, you will never struggle to make that shot, nail that jump, or in general, pwn noobs. This device was built for revolutionary game consoles like this one, so the symbiotic relationship between the two is undeniable. This TV will take your gaming to the next level. Like, literally, you will be going through several levels on these games for hours of lag-free, smooth-motion gaming entertainment. The Toshiba MV13N3 is clearly a marvel in at-home video. If you can afford to purchase one, I highly suggest you do. This is no time to be sleeping on the latest in at-home entertainment. What a glorious time we live in. Thanks as always for watching, everyone. What would you like to see me review next? Should it be the Sony Betamax, perhaps the Panasonic Laserdisc player, or the friendly Rakuten Entertainment decoder? Leave me a comment about that down below, like, subscribe, and here's 2 other videos that I think you'll like.